If you want to run Android apps on your PC or laptop, but without using heavy emulators like BlueStacks or Nox Player that eat up your system's resources, or randomly freeze and crash. With this method, you can get full access of Google Play Store directly from your PC or laptop without installing any emulator at all. That means smooth, lag-free performance, no random crashes, no annoying freezes, just pure, seamless access to your apps. You can download any apps, play games, and scroll through social media, pretty much everything you'd normally do on your smartphone. Alright, let's get started and I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser, and in Google search type Android Subsystem for Windows. You'll see lots of results, but the one you're looking for is the GitHub page, Mustard Chef WSA build. Click on this link. Once you're there, scroll down until you find a list of released versions. Here's where you need to be careful. Some of these builds are pre-release. These are basically early test versions that can be unstable, buggy, or just not work properly, so it's best to avoid them. Instead, stick with the ones clearly marked stable. Since these have been tested and are far more reliable, select Windows 11 x64 stable build. When you're on stable builds page, scroll all the way down to the asset section. This is where every downloadable file for that release is listed. From the list, you'll want the file mined the G apps and says removed Amazon. This version comes with Google Apps support and without the Amazon App Store pre-installed. It's usually right at the top of the list, ends with .7z file. In terms of compatibility, this setup works best on Windows 11, but if you're running Windows 10 version 20 H1 or later, there's a good chance it will work for you as well. Just like it's mentioned right there on the page, but make sure your system is up to date. File is downloading. Next thing, you'll need a tool to extract it. For this, we're going to use 7-zip application. Let's download the 7-zip application and get it installed in our system. After downloading complete, let's extract the folder. Before we jump into the installation, there's one quick setting we need to adjust. Open your Windows search bar and type Turn Windows Features, then open Windows Feature. You'll see a window like this appear. Scroll through the list until you find Virtual Machine Platform. If it's not already enabled, check the box to turn it on, then restart your PC. This step is important. It ensures everything runs smoothly and helps prevent installation issues later on. Now look for the batch file with name of run. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This will open PowerShell and you'll notice some automatic processes starting right away. Just let it work for a moment. After a moment, several windows will appear. Click Continue when prompted and the installation of Windows Subsystem for Android will start. If Windows asks for permission, go ahead and allow it. This process will set up the Android environment on your PC, including the Google Play Store and all the essential components needed to run a complete Android system inside Windows. The first window you'll see is the Windows Subsystem for Android Settings panel. Go into Advanced Settings and turn Developer Mode on. This step is important, especially if you plan to install APK files manually later. Once you've enabled it, close the settings window. Now, go back to PowerShell and close it. WSA is installed. Now, let's open the Play Store. In the Windows search bar, type Play Store and click on the app when it appears. The first time you open it, it will ask for your email. Just set it up the same way you would on your smartphone. Once that's done, we're ready to give it a quick test. Let's download a game and test it to see if it runs properly. Here's something you should know, that this method is way faster and smoother than those heavy emulators, but it doesn't have built-in key mapping. So if you're into games with complicated controls, it might not be the best fit for those. Once you've installed any app, you can open it right from here, or just type its name in the Windows search bar and launch it from there. And that's pretty much it for this one. If this tutorial helped you out, hit the like button to show some support. And if you've got any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments. I do my best to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.